Hi, ever wondered why your shorts are in SD standard format and not HD one? Well, let's test this one out. So I add the video and upload the video with a text. So let's try name this with a test. Like this, upload it. I will name this test with the text video one. Let's upload that. I'll just put that on a private. And then we can make the version, upload the version without the text. Let's try that out. Text and upload it, and I will name it test with no text. Put that also on private. Let those upload. And yeah, and then let's check out on the PC the versions when. So here you can see the formats with the text. You can see it's SD format. No text, you get the HD version. So you should not add text in the YouTube app if you want the HD format. At least for me, it works like that. I'm not sure if it's in my end or is it supposed to work like that. Anyway, I hope this helps you. Thanks. Bye.